The 2015 Genesis. It wasn't named 2009 North American Car of the Year for nothing. Genesis combines luxury, performance, and engineering for one powerful and memorable driving experience, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, air conditioning, front alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.